The big story, of course, remains tensions in the border areas, and there's a big statement that's come in from Finance Minister Arun Jaitley. So let's hear him out.
मुझे याद है कि जब यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स की नेवल सील एबटाबाद से ओसामा बिन लादेन को ले गई, तो क्या हम नहीं कर सकते? ये केवल कल्पना होती थी, इच्छा होती थी, एक फ्रस्ट्रेशन था, निराशा थी। आज तो वो भी संभव है।
Okay, that is the Finance Minister Arun Jaitley there. Devin Choksi is joining us right now of KR Choksi Investment Managers for a quick check on the market. Devin, thanks very much. What's happening in the trading room, dealing rooms? I mean, there's a big recovery underway from the lows.
Yes, Prashant, good afternoon. Well, I think the recovery is also partly attributed to the sharp fall that we have seen in the knee-jerk reaction. And also the fact that I think you are having the derivative contract expiry taking place. So I think the actions as far as the trading desk is concerned, I think more busy with the contract expiry and the rollovers therein. So that continues. Also at the same time, I think the fact remains that whenever in past, I think such kind of tensions were escalated, market has I think reacted negatively only for a shorter period of time. In a subsequent period, I think the market has rallied. As early as I think Kargil war, I think which was a skill war actually, I think the market reacted and probably reacted positively in 1 week time thereafter. So certainly I think the situation is realized by all market participants that a full-scale war is possibly ruled out. No country can probably even continue, I think, for a number of days, I think, this kind of full-scale war, even if it is to be done. I think the situation would probably ease out at some point of time during the course of this couple of weeks, I think, as I see it. So market should possibly, I think, understand that this is the time where probably if the valuations are becoming attractive and some good quality stocks are available at throwaway price, probably I think that there would be enough amount of takers, I think, for this kind of a risk in the market. I think we would like to take the call for a short rally thereafter.
Devin, where is the interest, where is the flow going, where is the interest like, I mean, especially given today's expiry?
I think the major amount of concentration is happening in corporate banks where people are putting in larger amount of exposures. People are also putting in exposures into some of the public sector banks where the PCA has been done, and probably I think that's something which people are buying as a contra buy in that area. Otherwise, rest of the areas, I think, are normal, no exception things. I think in these two areas, probably I see some more activities happening.
All right, Devin, thanks very much for joining in with your thoughts at the moment. We'll, of course, keep coming back to you as things move. But for now, quick break. Back with more on this big story in a bit.